The Jocuu Masticating Juicer E200 offers a versatile two-speed mode that efficiently handles both soft and hard fruits and vegetables, ensuring a high juice yield with minimal oxidation. It features an innovative 9-segment spiral system that maximizes juice output while preserving up to 95% of the nutritional content of the produce. With a quiet motor operating at less than 60 decibels, this juicer provides a peaceful juicing experience and includes an intelligent protection core to extend its lifespan. Designed for convenience, the juicer is equipped with a one-button disassembly mechanism and a reverse function to prevent clogs, making it easy to clean and maintain. The Jocuu juicer is supported by excellent after-sales service, offering a 2-year motor warranty, 2-year accessory replacement, and lifetime technical support. Its compact design fits well in any kitchen while maintaining robust functionality, making it a great addition for those seeking nutritious and fresh juice daily.